Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the messaging app and going straight to the conversation or app menu. Tap the three-dot menu to access settings. Once in settings, look for notifications or sound and vibration. That section controls message alerts. Make sure you are in the app-level settings rather than device system settings because app controls override some system defaults. If your app shows per conversation settings, tap the conversation first. Otherwise, use the Global App Notifications entry to continue. Now, find the vibration toggle or drop-down inside notifications and switch it to off or none. Some apps label it silent or vibrate. Off. You might see presets like default, short, or custom. Pick the option that explicitly disables vibration. If your app supports per conversation overrides, repeat this step inside each chat whose vibration you want muted. Once done, the app will stop sending haptic alerts while still showing visual notifications if those are enabled. Finally, confirm the change by sending a test message from another device or account. You should no longer feel vibration. If vibration persists, make sure System Do Not Disturb isn't overridden and that the app doesn't have special notification access or permission to bypass silence. Also, restart the app or reboot your phone to ensure settings apply. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache or toggle notification permissions off and back on if vibrations still occur after a reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.